Well, welcome back. Here we are with the Pride TF-1000 frequency counter and clock. And our instructions here say, operation of frequency counter is completely automatic. The counter can be locked out, several points operation. The frequency might bobble around with modulation. Yep. Common factor to counter must have to get an accurate reading, the counter must have unmodulated input signal. This can be easily accomplished by several means. When using AM, to press the mic without talking will give an unmodulated carrier. When using sideband, a few watts of carrier injecting without modulation will serve the purpose. So we got sideband plugged in on here. We're on 16 upper sideband. And let's give it a little squeeze. We're not getting much there, are we? So I'm not putting out even 2 watts. Audio. Well, I got it up to 27,193. So maybe I need a frequency generator or figure out a stronger signal. But this thing isn't putting out 2 watts. Well, it's working kind of, sort of. Not great. Hope some of you smart people can figure this out and help me. Talk to you later.